How to hide a story from someone on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide a story from someone on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, you can then simply tap on add story on the top left and then add a story. So first you'll have to add a story, and after you add a story, you can then go ahead and go to story settings. So let's wait while this uploads, and you can go down below and hit the subscribe button while this uploads as well. So after the uploads complete, you can then tap on this bottom right corner that says more, and there you will see an option where you can simply go to story settings, head over there, and after you're on story settings, there you'll see an option that says hide story from. Tap on it, and from here you can select people that you want to hide your story from. Simply select and then tap on done. And after you tap on done, you have now just hidden your story from that person. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.